Hello, everyone. This is Varsha, and you are watching the series of success stories brought to you by Indian Achievers Forum. So, once again, we are here with you all to discuss the success story of one more achiever of ours, and this time we have with us Mr. Kanhaiya Lal Sharma. So, Mr. Kanhaiya is a human resource leader who, in his current role, is building CloudThing into a place of reckon with great culture and people practices along with immense business impact. He brings a unique combination of talent acquisition, mentoring, employee engagement, and people management. He has worked with people function teams for over a decade, creating business impact for organizations of all sizes and stretches. His love for collaborating and encouraging businesses and technology teams throughout his career has earned his accolades and established him up as a person to go to at the time of emergency. So, before we actually start the conversation with him, let's quickly have a look at a very small video telling you about what we actually do.
Indian Achievers Forum is driven by a full-fledged advisory board. The board consists of experienced personalities who have excelled in their respective careers. Together, the forum organizes conferences, events, workshops, exhibitions, trade shows, and B2B initiatives in India as well as abroad. Where there is passion, there is achievement. And where there is achievement, there is Indian Achievers Forum.
Hello, Mr. Sharma. How are you?
Hello, Varsha. I'm doing excellent. How are you?
All good, sir. Thank you so very much. So, before we actually start the question and answer segment, please tell us a bit more about yourself and also about your professional role.
I'm an HR professional and I work with CloudThing. I started my journey with CloudThing in the beginning of 2020. And yep, prior to that, hold a decade of work experience working with various organizations, large and small, largely into recruitment, IT, technical staffing, and HR space. So in my current capacity, I think at Cloud Thing, I was hired to build a robust people practice here. Since then, we have grown in leaps and bounds and established Cloud Thing as one of the great places to work with a diversity-friendly culture.
All right, Mr. Sharma. So now moving ahead, what exactly are the product and services that your organization is providing to people out there?
Okay, so CloudThing is a UK headquartered IT services organization. Okay, it's a decade-old organization, and now it's a part of Curve Group as of mid this year. So CloudThing solves complicated problems with great digital experience. We combine Power Platform, DevSecOps, data science, and software engineering to achieve measurable business outcomes for our clients. We are headquartered in Birmingham, and combined group is about 35 million revenue in global organizations. We have over 330 employees working with over 800 sector leading customers with offices in London, Birmingham, and Bangalore.
Right, sir. So now, everyone do set some sort of goals for their future. So what further plans are you having for the organization in the upcoming years?
Okay, as I said, I was hired to build a robust people practice at CloudThing. My immediate to near-term future plan is to continue to build a CloudThing which is inclusive, having a collaborative atmosphere for its people to grow and display their skills as a part of a global multidisciplinary development team, wherein everybody gets an opportunity to be mentored by forward-thinking leaders and build basically a truly a great place in all sense. That's what my plan and goal is.
And I wish you all the success for all these plans of yours, Mr. Sharma.
Thank you.
All right, sir. So now moving ahead, the gone year 2020 and obviously the current year too is making us all realize the importance of becoming Atmanirbhar. So, what are your thoughts and views on this campaign, and also how is your organization working towards this?
Okay, so it's like hooded grapes parenting, right? When second egg is always on its own, and it depends on the flame inside to guide the little ones and teach it survival skills. I personally believe that this is one of the best schemes that we have got, the Atmanirbhar Bharat mission. And why? Because for one, it gives us hope to those which have lost their job and willing to do something extraordinary. And second, that teaching yourself and the youth of today self reliance in towards building a, basically we are building a generation for a better and peaceful future. What Cloud Thing is doing in this area is we are coming up with various Cloud Thing endorsed curriculum with various universities. We have a returnship to work program with where we encourage people from all strata of life. What works to our advantage is we as a company work a lot on Microsoft Power Platform, which is a low code environment, which means anyone with some sort of a programming background or no programming background can learn this. So a lot of people who want to restart their career, or a lot of people who want to learn this and build a career on this technology, can do that. In fact, a lot of our employees whom we have hired lately are the ones which have moved to Power Platform from some other technology, would have started as some other professionals. It's all already we are doing it. We were not conscious about it. Now that I have learned about what Atmanirbhar Bharat mission is, I think I can proudly say that we are exactly following the same guidelines or same footprints what we are supposed to do on these areas.
So now comes the question which I'm very keen to know the answer for, and that is, what are your feelings on winning this Indian Achievers Award? Like, how did you it actually celebrated the news when you got the information that you have won the award for yourself?
Okay, I'll be really honest here. I did not check my mail for about couple of days when I had received it. So it was astonishing, and I was a little surprised when I stumbled upon this. Someone else whom I know had recommended me for this, so it was a little surprising. I did a little bit of digging on that. Personally, it's really astonishing, nothing less. I would say that it's always magnificent to accomplish something important and to get recognized for all the hard work that one is putting together. It never gets overrated. That's exactly how receiving an award such as Indian Achievers Award made me feel. I'm glad that I got a chance to be a part of this beautiful stage. I'm moved.
All right, sir, and I once again congratulate you on this achievement of yours.
Thank you,
All
Varsha.
right, so now as we have discussed a lot about your professional role, tell us a bit about the CSR activities too that you are involved in, please.
As a part of an wonderful company like Cloud Thing, where we not only work with world's leading NGOs and solve their digital transformation problems, which automatically does the contribution towards the society at large by virtue of our revenue streams, but also we directly give back to society in many ways. Take an example of earlier this year when Cloudthing was getting the Great Places to Work certification. We donated an amount to a charity of choice of our employees, which works towards feeding the hungry souls. And we basically linked it to the number of people who participated in that survey. So we keep coming up with various of these sort of activities where we gamify contribution and make it something which is meaningful and not just for the sake of filling up a tick mark role. I think that makes that, which is much more important, because outside I see that a lot of companies are doing it, but it doesn't create an impact. It's just for some additional brownie points. Cloud Thing definitely wants to make an impact and ensure that we make a difference towards whatever cause we are associated with.
And that's amazing thing that you all are doing, I must say. All right, so now before concluding our session, what message or mantra you would like to give to our younger generation to become successful in their careers?
Keep it really short. What I feel is keep it raw. There's no shortcut. You have to go through the grind.
Right, so, short yet a very strong message, I must say. All right, so thank you so very much for joining with us today. It was pleasure talking to you, and I wish you all the success for all your future endeavors, and may you continue to inspire us the way you are doing. Thank you so very much for being with us today.
My pleasure, and thank you, Varsha.